In this video, we're going to finalize the details on the top of the light unit. So to begin with, let's allocate a reflective material to the inside of the light fittings. So if we just simply left click on the V-Ray material editor and copy the chrome finish. So highlight chrome, left click, right click, and then left click on duplicate material. Highlight that layer and we're going to rename it, there we go, LU reflector. Then all we need to do at this stage is what we've done previously, is allocate that material via the apply material to layer tab. Scroll down to the LU reflectors layer, allocate it, and simply click OK. Now let's turn off the material editor for just a moment. We're going to turn on the material editor and we'll visualize the light unit light faces. So we've got that on shot. We can take that down. We can see that in shot there. Excellent. Now we're going to create a glow in the lower green light. Open up our material editor. We're going to take our green light, duplicate it, rename it, and we'll call it green light glow. In order to make that light glow, we need to add a fresh layer. So we're going to create a layer and it will be emissive. We need to change, in order to get that glow the right color, you'll find out at the moment it's just pure white, we need to change that glow to a nice green color. Something around there will do just fine. Now we're going to make that glow a little bit more, so it's changed to a green color. We want that to stand out distinctly as a glowing light, so we'll shift up the multiplier to about 25. Preview, you can see that becomes lighter on screen. Now we need to just move that to one side. We're just going to hide that surface for a moment, and we're going to take the light underneath and then allocate that material via selection. So we've got the green light glow layer material switched on. We've left clicked to bring it, right clicked to bring up the menu, and then we're allocating that material via selection. There we go. Now we'll just pause there and do a quick test render to see how it looks. Okay, you can see on the screen there that we've got a nicely glowing green light in comparison to the other lights on the traffic light which are turned off. And we can simply switch that off, reveal our green light face again, and we can do a similar detail further up the traffic light, which is going to be the warning light, or part of the warning light. So in order to do that, we're going to open our material editor. We'll take our green light glow and duplicate it. So scroll down to duplicate material. We're going to rename that as red light glow. Red light glow. We can just delete the one. Click OK. Now we need to change its parameters. So we're going to make its color bright red. Click OK. We need to change the diffuse color equally to a red color. Click OK. And on this occasion, we'll make that light glow significantly. So we'll take its multiplier up to 50. So we've got a significant outburst there. I'm just going to move the material editor to one side, confirm that we've got the selection there, and now we're going to allocate that material via selection. Good. While we're at it, since we're doing emissive materials here, we'll also do the light in this upper section here. So we're just going to take the cover off by using the hide command. We'll select that, bring our material editor back, and we're going to copy our red light glow. So duplicate material. We'll rename it as amber light glow. and then we'll change the parameters on that also. So we'll change our color to orange, change our diffuse color to orange also, click OK, then we're going to allocate that material via selection. There we go. Now if we just zoom out slightly, click on Show, and we're going to do a test render. There we have the render indicating the glow of the warning light on the body of the light itself, plus our amber warning light at the top is glowing as well. Now what might look nice is to add an emissive to the amber section on the transparent top there as well. So we'll do that as we speak. So we're just going to drag that across to one side. We're going to pick our amber light glass. We'll duplicate it. So duplicate it. We'll call it warning amber light glass this time. So rename. So amber light glass warning. There we go. And click OK. This time we're going to add an emissive layer to that as well. Change its color to orange. Click OK, and we'll increase the multiplier just up to 12, I think, on this occasion. So we'll preview that. That's looking quite good. And we will allocate that to that material. So I'm just moving the material editor to one side. We're selecting that top surface, and we're going to allocate that material via selection. There we go. And we'll just, get that in place. And we'll pause there while we do a quick test render. You can see there we've neglected to alter the transparency, so we can do this very quickly. We just simply go to our amber warning light again, close off our emissive for a moment, close off our reflection, and we're on diffused. And we're going to increase the transparency down further. Preview that. We'll increase our emissive up to 25, and we'll check our test render one more time. Now you can see we've got a little bit of glow out of that top warning light, which we can massage at a later stage. But in this lesson, what we've done is we've allocated glowing materials to various parts of the design. The warning light to indicate that the system is active, the lower green light on our traffic light, and the warning light at the top as well. In the next lesson, we'll allocate some more finishes to finalize the design in this top section up here with the webcams and the warning light body.